Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing extremely very rarest golden color Lord KUBERA conch collected from Indian Ocean in 64 grams in weight. See, very beautiful, finest quality. This color is extremely very rare. It's a golden yellow color for Lord KUBERA. Very rare to get. It's the finest quality conch collected from the Indian Ocean for Lord KUBERA. By having this conch, it will makes you richer. This conch will make you richer. See, back side you can see the Lord KUBERA chakra. Fine quality. This is a golden yellowish color for Lord KUBERA. By having this conch with you, you will get extreme blessings of Lord KUBERA. It will make you richer. Gives very good business, very good profit, huge success, and makes you win over all opponent in your business. Such a wonderful conch, extremely very rarest, golden color Lord KUBERA Mulli variety Dakshavarthi conch, Valampuri Sangu right open conch collected from the Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.